Very sweet. What the cup?
Oh, this is what the cup. Let's try the best seller. They have hot, cool and blended same. You wanna try this? Milo. Tak nak lah Milo. I like Milo. Milo Smoothie Volcano. You wanna try this? Sell Oreo. I don't want Oreo lah, but they like best seller. You wanna try this? Okay. Okay. Yay! Okay, we take this one. Yeah, take. Take the lid. Janganlah dia put the cocoa. You can or not? If not, I help. I take for you. You can? I believe you can. Slowly. Can or not? Use two hands. Come. Use two hands. Clever. Oh, I like that lah. I want to see.
Manis.
$6.
Ha?
$9. Abang. Nice. Ada macam Milo dekat atas.
What the cup? Very sweet. Very simple.
Ha?
Okay, nice.